In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error 1000 in Cloudflare CDN. If your visitors are seeing error 1000 DNS points to prohibited IP, and your entire site is down as a result, don't panic. This one almost always comes down to a specific, findable mistake in your DNS records, and it's usually a quick fix once you spot it. Let's dive right in. Quick refresher on what's actually happening. This error fires when one of your DNS records is pointing to a Cloudflare IP address instead of your actual server's IP address. Since Cloudflare is already sitting in front of your site as a proxy, having a record point back at Cloudflare itself creates a loop that Cloudflare deliberately blocks, rather than letting your site disappear into an endless redirect. First, head over to your Cloudflare dashboard, log in, select the domain showing the error, and click into DNS, then Records. Now, look specifically at your A record, the one controlling your main domain, and check what IP address is actually sitting in the content or value field. Here's the most common cause by far. At some point, that A record accidentally got set to a Cloudflare IP address rather than your own server's address, often because it was copied from the wrong place, or an old configuration got carried over during a migration. If you're not entirely sure what your real server IP is supposed to be, reach out to your hosting provider and ask them directly for your origin IP address, since guessing here just risks creating a different error. Once you have the correct IP, click into that A record, replace whatever's currently there with your actual origin IP, and save it. You can leave the proxy status, that orange cloud icon, switched on, since error 1000 is caused specifically by the wrong IP being entered, not by proxying itself. If your A record already looks correct and you're still seeing this error, the next likely cause is what's called a reverse proxy loop. This happens if your own server, say through Nginx or a similar setup, is configured to forward requests back out to Cloudflare a second time instead of just serving the page directly. If that sounds like your setup, you'll want to reconfigure your server to handle the request itself, or set up a straightforward redirect at your origin instead of routing it back through Cloudflare again. A less common but worth checking cause involves your request headers, specifically something called x-forwarded-for. If your server or another piece of software in front of it is sending more than one of these headers, or one that's unusually long, Cloudflare treats that as suspicious and blocks it the same way. This one's more technical to track down, so if you suspect this is the cause, it's worth looping in your hosting provider or developer to check your server's configuration. Finally, if you've checked all of this and you're still stuck, it's worth confirming you don't have a duplicate or old Cloudflare account still holding onto records for this same domain. This can happen after switching accounts or migrating, and it can quietly cause exactly this kind of conflict without an obvious cause showing up in your current account's DNS settings. So to recap, check your A record for a mistakenly entered Cloudflare IP and replace it with your real origin IP. Look for a reverse proxy loop on your own server if that's not it. Check for malformed forwarding headers as a less common cause, and rule out a leftover duplicate Cloudflare account if you're still stuck. Thanks for watching, and happy troubleshooting.